everyone! This tutorial is a quick and fun faux fur pom-pom. Thank you for liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing. Now let's get started. For materials, you will need faux fur at least 6 inches in width, some very strong thread or yarn. This is indoor-outdoor upholstery thread, a needle of your choice, a sharp pair of scissors, a template that is 6 inches in diameter, and a bit of stuffing. Using your template, create a circle. Then cut out the circle. Thread your needle. Then place a running stitch around the edge of your circle. Once that's done, you can take off your needle. Take some of that stuffing. Nestle it into the center of the pom-pom. And then cinch it all the way down and knot it off. And then for extra security, I like to go in one more time with my needle and tie it off again. From here, just shake it off. You want all of that excess hair to fall off of it. And now it's ready to go on anything you like. Have fun making these super cute faux fur pom-poms. Thank you for watching, commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing. Have a wonderful DIY day, and I'll see you again in my next tutorial.